Yeah, we're here in Esca Fwog or whatever it's bloody called, in the crychan forest, and the plan is this. Supposed to be going to see that today. So this is the route. So where we are. So we're going to walk all the way down here. Then we're going to go around on the blue trail. Now most people do just the blue trail, the red trail, or there's another trail around here somewhere, which is that one. But we decided to combine the two. Now the blue one is a 3-hour trail, and the red one is a 2-hour trail. So it should be a nice walk. Ah! There's Tina turned up. And we're on this lovely little trail down here today. It's absolutely stunning. Oh look, Christmas tree. Yay! Put Tina on top like an angel.
Angel!
Oh, it's fucking lush here, boys and girls. Oh, butterfly. Come back. Right, lovely walk, guys. I say guys.
I don't know.
Lovely walk, ladies. Gayettes. Right. Nice walk from down there. Problem is, we've got a massive problem now. Can't seem to get over this point. We've got a problem. We're going to have to go back now and do that fucking 7-mile trek backwards. If we can get past here, it's only about another 4 miles. 4 miles or 7 miles. Any ideas, Tim?
I got one.
You are fucking crazy. Did you just do that? You crazy fool. What's wrong with you? Oh, you weird you are. Fucking hell, try it. That ain't fucking right. We found a shortcut. Nice little shortcut. I think this is actually part of the mountain bike trail, but hey, we could pretend we're on bikes. The other trail that we were on is just running up there like that. And now we're here. Yep, this has been trained up by mountain bikes. Jake, Sam, you'd love this. But no, Jake, you'd make that. Sam, you'd fall off there.
Yeah.
It's that creaky wood again. Someone needs to oil that fucking tree. This better be good, mind. This waterfall, you drag me all this mileage. This waterfall better be good.
I'll Photoshop one in.
I think that's the sound of it, don't it? Doesn't sound too promising though.
I want to know one thing. How the fuck did I get mud all the way up there? On one boot.
Well, we found a waterfall.
Stop filming me!
It's your fault. What was this at? There's apparently there's a big waterfall there. And this woman, yes, that woman over there, just made me walk 7 miles to see a fucking puddle. 7 miles to see a puddle. Yes, as you can imagine, I'm not bloody happy. You laughing at? You laughing at? You horrible. You made me walk all this way round here. All the way up there. Round there, round there, round there. I got to walk another fucking 2 or 3 miles back yet. But 7 miles for a puddle. You're not right. Dinner stop.
Nom 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 nom.
Nom 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 nom.
Nom nom.
What's on the menu then, Tin?
Tomato pasta.
Is that it? You just got pasta and tomatoes there, have you? How exciting.
Alright, peppers and onions as well. And then cake.
Cake in the box. Yum, 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 yum. So we're back on the way to the van. After go on a massive bloody hike to see a puddle. Still not impressed with that one. Like the song says, innit? Don't go chasing waterfalls. That's what you fucking get. So we just had a nice spot of lunch. Nice little walk back to the van. Time for a lager, I think. Let's absorb some more of this first. Absorb that.
The witch in the woods.
Got something right, love. You're in the woods. Hey.
Home sweet home.
How's you doing after your little walk, baby?
Lovely.
What I really like about this place, right? But what's really good is these. Now most people use them for barbecues, but I think what a perfect place for some laptop ventilation. Absolutely brilliant idea. I think it's the future. Every forest should have these. We laughing at? We laughing at?
See nothing.
I don't understand you, Tin. Come on, that's genius. And you're laughing at somebody's genius idea.
What do you want?
You're still laughing. What are you laughing for?
Oh,
Take me home, please. My legs are
No.
hurting.
you're not allowed.
Alright then. Have a light.
Kidnapped you.
Have a light then.
No.
Oh, alright then. Genius. Went down here as planned. Back up here, back up here, back up here. We didn't do this bit here actually. We went round this way here and then to there. So we cheated a little bit. Went down there, got to here, went down there, back around this way, looked at the fucking puddle. Right? Even though it's supposed to be like that. And it's called Coed y Castell. They lie into you. Don't even go there. It's crap. It's a puddle. So anyway, back up here, spot of lunch as pre-planned, and then we went back to the van. And oh, look, you are here. Well, I am. You're not. You're in your house watching us. So after a nice little hike, we are back at the van. Tina, turn up. Lying cow.